Hey there. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a recovery email to your Gmail account. This is super important because it helps protect not just your emails, but all the Google services linked to your account. A recovery email makes it easy to regain access if you ever forget your password or get locked out. First, make sure you're logged into Gmail. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. It could be your picture or just an initial. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. This opens the main settings for your account, where you can manage everything from privacy to personal info. Next, on the left menu, click Personal Info. Scroll down to Contact Info and select Email. Here, you'll see your primary email and any recovery emails you may have already added. Now, look for Recovery Email and click Add Recovery Email. Enter an email you check regularly. This will be the one Google uses to help you recover your account. After entering it, click Verify. Google will send a verification email to that address. Open your recovery email inbox, find the message from Google, and follow the link or enter the code provided to complete verification. And that's it. You've successfully added a recovery email, making your account much safer and easier to access if anything goes wrong. Taking this small step can save you a lot of trouble in the future, so make sure to keep your recovery email updated. Thanks for watching, and now your Google account is more secure than ever.